Hi, this touch switch I'm about to show you is made using only 5 electronic components. The IC CD4011, which doesn't require any programming, 2 quarter watt resistors of value 10 megaohm, an LED to see that the touch switch is working, and one more resistor for the LED of value 330 ohm. We will be assembling these 5 components on a mini breadboard and wire them according to this circuit. You will find a link for this file in the description to download. Let's begin wiring our touch switch. First, connecting pin 2 and 4 and pins 3 and 5 of the IC. Here's the schematic for why it is connected this way. We will discuss more about this schematic later. Adding 10 megaohm resistor between pin 1 and positive rail. Adding another 10 megaohm resistor between pin 6 and positive rail. These resistors will sense the touch. Connecting pin 7 to ground and pin 14 to 5 volt. Finally, adding a red LED with a resistor at pin 3. And that's it. The circuit is complete now. We can connect to 5 volt supply and check it. We have to touch pin 1 and pin 6 of the IC to switch on or off the LED. It works even if we touch it with any metal. Hence, we can add some metallic touch pads to do the sensing. To make touch pads, I used copper clad board, which is used in making electronic PCBs. I wanted to make a circular touchpad with a little tab on the top to solder wire, but frankly, any shape will work. I cut the board into rectangles using hacksaw and used a grinder to sand it into circular shape. Then soldered wires on top of each pad and connected them at pin 1 and pin 6. As you can see, it works fine. To identify which button is for on and which button is for off, I printed 2 labels and pasted them on the copper board. And surprisingly, it works even with the printed paper in between the finger and the copper pad. Since now our simple touch switch is ready, I wanted to control a reading lamp with it. To do that, I added a single channel SPDT Relay board, which also works with 5 volt. I connected its 5 volt pins to the breadboard and input pin of the relay board to pin 3 of the IC where LED is connected. And now I can wire the relay board to the AC plug of reading lamp. And as expected, it works just fine. This concludes the project. I will later solder this on a general PCB and probably fix it inside the reading lamp. If you want to understand how this circuit works, watch part 2 of this video. For now, thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.